Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Well, with a couple more whacks with the blue chisel, that piece just chunked right out of there, so that wasn't a big deal. I just didn't have any more battery pack left on this thing. So I guess the first thing I'll do is put the breaker in. Picked up another 15 amp. It'll go right here, and that'll supply the garage and all that stuff. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is build, I'm going to put this shower pan back down and build this little wall to make the third wall of the shower. And I think I'm going to abandon putting the faucet over here in the shower. I'm going to put the faucet over here. Here's my vanity, and I'll have hot and cold, and I'll bring them around into this wall and up, and I think that'll be better. So let's get started with that now. Alright, now that the wall is built and it's bolted to the floor where it needs to be, I'm going to take this one screw out right here that was holding the wall, and I'm going to take the screw out and level the wall, and then I have 3 places to screw it: there, there, and there. Alright, so I'm all squared and level and blah blah blah. So I need some drywall nailers back here. So if this wall's coming into this wall, I need something to nail the drywall to. So I'm going to use a couple of these scraps over here that are like 16 to 17 inches long, and I'm going to put a couple of those so I could screw the drywall that's coming across this wall. Alright, so I'm bolted down, strapped in. I put a strap in. I have I located where my shower head's going to be, and now it's just a matter of making all the connections with copper. Alright, so here's where I'm at. I have hot and cold coming out into this furnace area. My hot's gonna come over, T, shoot underneath the vanity. Cold comes over, shoots underneath the vanity, continues, bends around the corner. The hot water, which is this one, gets attached. The cold water gets a T, and the cold has to continue on and go back behind the toilet. So, I have both my stumps sticking out right there. I might be able to trim them down a little bit. And that's where I'm at. Alright folks, so here's where I'm at. I need to get the shower walls, the shower back. They're gigantic and will not fit in my Jeep, so I need to arrange that. I need 16 sheets of drywall. I need a 32-inch door that opens to the left. I need to pick up a GFI for the sump pump, metal box for it, drywall screws. So where I'm at here now, I just gave this a little cleanup. It's 5 o'clock, ready to roll. Tomorrow I will get the rest of these copper lines put in place and get some drywall ordered, work on that GFI over there, and I think I'm done in here other than drywall. I need to put a couple of nailers. I can see right here I need some nailers running up the inside of this because my flange for the new surround is going to need something to screw to. Same on this side, it just happens to fall in a weird spot, so I got all these little scrap pieces over here that are 16, 18 inches long. I'm just going to stack those because I'm out of full 2x4s. I gotta pull this sump pump crock out of here and drill a bunch more holes in it and put some gravel around it, re-pour this concrete. I gotta take one of these little tabs out of here and put this cover back on. Here's something new I discovered, that the hot water tank, whoever installed it put a screw in here and they must have pierced the tank. I mean, this was before we bought the house, but it's a new tank, and yeah, that's a problem. I got water pissing over here. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like and subscribe. Choo choo.